Huh? Take your muzzle off before you shoot on it again.
I didn't shoot.
No, I'm saying you can take it off now, bro.
I can take it off and
Wait, do you want me to cover?
We got one here, one here.
We'll go for the White House. Alright? We'll go for the White House.
I understand why people
Where'd you go?
Where's the barrel?
Is it?
Oh, Tony. Hey, who dropped the barrel?
Is that your barrel socket?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's his.
Who's this it?
His.
Ready? Atta boy.
We just need a convoy and then
Huh?
people who have the purple thing just surround them and then shoot up everything else.
Hey, you're cheating. You gotta get in here.
Hey, Tony.
Go. Oh, it fell off?
It's falling off. It's straight coming out.
Oh. Might as well do that.
Zip ties to my best to get out.
That shit bounced back.
And my gun got shooting.
Let me see.
I just got it fine.
Alright, let's go. You ready?
Hey, what's this? Are you serious right now? What's the one over there? 1, 2, 3. Where's the
Oh, hit. What do you want to do? Swim around? Too crowded over here. There's a dead end right here. You shoot left, I shoot right. Ready?
Watch out for that right side.
Yeah, I know, they're right there.
That's all, Jeff. Right there.
Oh, right there.
Where'd you do it? Where'd you do it? Where's the back?
Hit.
Watch his laser.
There's too many people now. Hello. Ready? There's a shit ton of people, bro. It's gonna be hard to do all this. What inches? Bubba. this way. What about? It's not shooting again?
Hold on, make it quick.
Oh. Hey, let's go this way. This way, this way. Come and fight, come. Bubba, come through, come up, come up. Shit, come up. Duck. Ready? You cover me on left, I'll go right. God damn it. God damn it. Yeah, hit. Got one.
Did we get the second one yet?
No, not yet. We're after that one now.
Where's the second one?
It's over here on the left side. Okay, okay. Oh shit.
Alright, I'm moving in.
Where's the second one at? Over here?
Yeah, they're behind the filing cabinet.
I got you, hurry up. Go.
Got it. Fuck.
I'm
Only this one? The 13 bullets?
You want to do it? Go home. I mean, it's good, but we need people to get in that police station.
You said there was only 2, right?
Oh, yeah. And the girl fuck on it. Oh, you were out there.
Relax, bro. It's not that serious.
I mean, that was nobody was there. There you go.